What's good, Larry with another beat tutorial. In my last video I did a reaction / review video of TakeADayTrip's new GarageBand sound pack that dropped not too long ago. Now that I had some time to play around with it and familiarize myself with the sounds, I decided to do a quick little breakdown on a beat that I made using TakeADayTrip's new sound pack. Okay, so this first beat was made using Alchemy Synth. When you click main categories on the top left hand corner, you see recently downloaded. From there, click TakeADayTrip category to see all the new sounds it came with. The first sound I use is the Bourne Road Anthem synth. Alright, so here are the notes that I'm playing. It's basically alternating from C sharp minor to a D major chord. Next, I have a synth bass sound from the same pack called Bourne Road State Bass. Here's what it sounds like. And here are the notes. The next lead sound comes from a regular Alchemy Synth preset under Leads category. It's called Chiptune Lead. And here are the notes. After that, we had this Unison Riser synth dropping before the beat drops. If you don't see this preset on your Alchemy synth, go ahead and download the Transition Effect pack on GarageBand for free. And for the 808s, I'm using the Tompkins Square 808 bass preset from TakeADayTrip pack. I also used this on my last video. I'm using the fuzzy preset, and here are the notes. Now that I got all the melodic elements out the way, let me show you how I came up with this drum pattern. First, starting with hi-hats, I'm using the Soho drum kit from TakeADayTrip Sound Pack. This is my hi-hat pattern. Pretty simple. It's basically a two-step pattern for the most part with a few fast hi-hat rolls sprinkled in. Also notice the velocity change on this hi-hat roll right here. To accomplish this, click on the individual hi-hat notes. Apply the velocity manually like this. On the second half of the pattern, I also have an open hi-hat playing as well. Next, I'm using a clap sound from the Hillsboro drum kit, which I'm using it as a layering sound. And then to finish it off, I have the clap and the kick sample from my 100 kit. Link is in the description. And here's the pattern. And yeah, that'll pretty much do it for the beat breakdown. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. So what do I think of the TakeADayTrip GarageBand sound pack so far? I love the quality of these sounds, but I just wish they added more different variety of sounds because I feel like most of these synth patches they have are very similar sounding, and I wish they added more than 3 Alchemy synth presets. The ones they have are pretty solid though. My favorite presets are the Church Street Mix synth and the Tompkins Square 808 bass. Now for the drum kits, I like to use them more as a layering sounds for creating percussive loops instead of using them as a main drum beat, simply because I feel like most of these kicks and snares in these drum kits lacks that punch that I like to have on my drum sounds. Even if you mess with the sound a bit, I find that they don't really cut through the mix as well as I wanted to. But for the most part, the sound selection is pretty decent for percussions. And lastly, the sample loops that come with this pack sound amazing, and they are very good quality. I'm not really sure if I'll be using these on my own production. Maybe I'll use some of them as a reference, but I like the quality and the variety of the loops that they provided. So if your production style fits that modern trap and pop sound, you might find something that you like here, so definitely check it out for yourself. So overall, I give this pack a 7 out of 10 rating. Let me know what you guys think about this pack in the comment down below. Smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you guys on the next video.